Good morning to all. I am Sivakam Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see regarding analysis and design in software engineering. Now we can see about why analysis is important. Then what is the purpose of using analysis? There are four criteria in analysis important. The first one is foundation for success. The second one is cost time savings. The third one is a shared understanding and the risk mitigation. So next one, requirement modeling. Requirement modeling is nothing but it is the analysis activity in the software engineering. It will helps to understand the requirements from the user. Clearly, we can define and beginning the designing part. There are three objectives of requirement modeling. The first one, understand user need. What is the user need? Then understanding the user needs. The second one is provide a foundation for design and modeling. Third one is improve communication between user and the stakeholders. These are called the objectives of requirement modeling. So next one is this is the basic particular flow diagram regarding requirements modeling. Uh, where we are start from the requirements modeling, then what are the types we are using and what are the flow chart data diagrams we can use in the particular requirement modeling. Each and every step we can denote by the some flow chart like this. This is the example for requirement modeling flow chart. So next one is elements of requirement modeling. In this requirements modeling consists of the four types of elements requirement modeling. The first one is a scenario based modeling. Second one is information data modeling. Third one is analysis classes. The fourth one is class based modeling. These are called the four requirements modeling elements of requirement modeling. The next one is the first one, scenario based modeling. The scenario based modeling explain what is mean by scenario based explain. It means scenario based modeling describe the how we can users interact with the system and the human being. So this is called real world situations called a scenario. So the basically how we can interact with the system and user. So purpose it is captures the functional requirements. The second one is the focuses on user perspective. The third one is helps is identifying the system behavior. So that is called a main scenario based modeling method. This is called scenario based modeling flow chart. The first one, use case. Why? What is the purpose we are using this particular requirements? That is called use case. So second one, the person. Who is going to use the particular use case for the product? So that is called associate with the person. The next one is scenario. Scenario it is assigned to use case associated with the person particular product person. So after that evaluation points, then test case. After that these requirements it is finally going to test cases. So after the test case includes evaluation points. The next one, use cases. Use cases means it is a scenario based modeling. What does mean use case? Use case is a detailed description how the user interact with the user and with the system. So that is called use case. Why use case are needed? Use case is needed for what is the purpose we are using use cases. Understanding the user requirements clearly. First one, we can understand the clear understanding regarding communication between the system and the user, I mean stakeholders. The second one, capture the functional requirements. The third one, communicate with the customers and users. The fourth one is serve as a base for design and testing. The next one is components of use cases. Components of use cases is nothing but there are five parameters in components of use cases. The first one, actor, precondition, then main flow, alternate flow, then post condition. Actor means that is called a person. I think students, staff, faculties, then who they are going to use the particular product. So that is called person, any kind of person, student, faculty, staff, so client, stakeholders, so like that. A precondition is nothing but the condition that must be true before the use case start. When we are going to start the use cases, that time we can identify the use case. So that is called a precondition. Third one is main flow. Fourth one is alternate flow. The last one is post condition. These are all the components of use cases. Thank you.